Peoples, to Sheena Lynette, your favorite holistic business coach, and I am here to share some information for all of my gig workers out there. So, as usual, as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, hello. Let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from, and hashtag replay if you see the replay later. And so, as you guys know, launched my Turo business as well as I'm driving for Lyft. And so all of that is under what I have learned via Google is under gig work, right? You get paid for each little thing that you do. Other things that are under good gig work is also like Grubhub and DoorDash as well. But every little gig that you do, you're getting paid for, right? So, as you guys know, I've been documenting my journey for anyone else that wants to jump in, because that's what I do as your favorite holistic business coach. I make any business decision that you may make easier for you. And I just love to give general free advice and help everyone and share my journey and my struggles and my challenges and make it, if you go on the same journey as me or similar journey, you got all these things to help you do it with a much smoother ride. So I've already done my videos on what is Turo, so who does it actually work for, how to prep your car for Turo, and how to count the cost, all right? A couple of videos on that. So if you've missed those videos, make sure after you watch this one that you go on my YouTube channel, Tashina Stokes, subscribe, and go watch those videos under that category of gig or transportation work. So when I prep my vehicle, I want to do it the most easy, efficient way possible. So I actually pay for a monthly subscription. I go to Imperial Auto Wash in Waterford, Michigan. That's near one of the speedways that I fill up at. It's also near the dealership that I go to all the time. So that's where I go. There's also, if it's after hours and I want to get a wash and just go through one of those machines, there's one that I go to on South Boulevard as well. So that's what I do. I have them vacuum, and I like it's the most efficient way possible, because then I can be on my phone, I can be updating, doing social media stuff, etc., etc. But sometimes a person will bring my tour car back at 11:30 at night, and then someone needs it at 7 a.m. And Imperial Auto Wash is open during normal business hours, so I can get there around 8 o'clock. 8:15 usually get it washed and then get it vacuumed. If it's outside of those hours, and then they close at 5:30, so I got to get there before, by 4:45 if I want it washed and vacuumed. So if it's outside of those hours, then I got to make sure that I have a solution, right? So of course I could just take it and put the coins into one of those places, but instead of that, I decided to make sure that I got tools. So let me show you the toolkits that I have and some of the things that come in it. So when it comes to washing, which I probably ain't gonna never wash my car, y'all, just to let you know. It's just not in my wheelhouse. But it also has the rags and stuff to clean it inside, which I will still have to do. And again, this is for, if Turo, you got to make sure that it's disinfected and cleaned in between the rides. If you are doing Lyft or Uber as well, you want to make sure that you're regularly disinfecting it with all those people coming in. So this would be good for you to have as well. And then even if you're doing Grubhub or DoorDash or volunteer work where you have people coming in and out of your car like we do as Jehovah's Witnesses, this is also something good to have on hand, because again, you got it there to make sure that it's clean. Cleanliness is important, right? So this is the brand that over here. This is the brand that I got. So this is called Foam Guy Gaslight Car Tool Dearly. All right. And inside of it, I'll show you some of the things that it comes with. So it's got this little thing. I haven't utilized it yet, as you can see. It comes with a couple of, I believe, this rag, right? I bought a whole bunch of other rags, so I have like 2 of them in here. Then it has a different spray pump with it. I haven't utilized the majority of the stuff, y'all. Some little brushes, wire brushes, in order to really scrape some stuff. It has one of these cool things. I have another one of these as well. I had bought it by itself, just to, be cleaning, disinfecting in a very, very good way. And then we have this brush to do some really good scraping with. And this one looks like it would be really good for like windshields and windows and stuff. Maybe on the inside. And then we have the real squeegee for the outside of the windows. And then it has all of these just little like, oh wait, this goes in the other one. That doesn't go there. I got another one to show you guys too. All these nice little extensions and stuff like this, so you can really get, and other brushes and stuff like that, so you can really get clean. And then of course in my bag I have my bottle of Thieves household cleaner, because I will never be cleaning with toxic chemicals. If you don't know why, make sure you hop on my channel and just put toxic free Tashina. You'll see so many videos on that. But making sure that you live toxic free and having toxic free cleaning products is so essential to having a healthy immune and respiratory system. So I have my bottle of toxic free cleaner in there because that is the only thing that I will clean with. So that's the first bag that I want to show you guys that you might want to get. And I'll put the links to these, of course, for you guys to grab them. The second bag that I have is called This Works for Car. And this is my little vacuum that I actually love, y'all. And I think this hose actually goes to the vacuum. I put both of these in this bag. I somehow fit everything in here, but I needed to bring this out so that you guys can see. I was like, what brand is it? So this is a nice little vacuum to vacuum out your car. So again, I gotta worry about it being midnight, standing outside, put my dollars in, get some quarters to use that little vacuum thing. It hardly ever gives me the right ones. Goes right into your cigarette lighter electronic thing. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. It seems pretty powerful. I've already emptied it out. And of course, again, you got just, here's an extra filter that is in the bag. A little extender for this that's a little bit thinner. And like I said, I think that actually that hose that I showed you guys, I think that actually goes to this, even though I had it in the other bag. So this is the hose. So you can get all around, you know, use this hose somehow with this extender and stuff, and you can get around your whole entire car. So those are the two things that I want to show with you guys. Again, for my gig workers out there. Again, I highly recommend just getting a monthly plan and running it over to a place that's gonna wash your car and vacuum it for you. That's what I usually do 8 out of 10 times, right? But for the times where, because I want my car out as soon as possible, so I would love to have somebody rent my Turo car, and then it comes back at 11:30 at night, somebody gets it at 7 a.m. For those times when I can't get over to there, these are the tools that I would use. So, and they're pretty economical. And you guys know that I got this from Amazon, right? So I'll put the links. But we got Black Friday going on, and we got Cyber Monday going on. So half of the things, I'm going to come back and show you guys some car maintenance things in a little bit. And half of those things are on Black Friday special right now. So for my gig workers and my people that just want to have extra tools to have extremely clean cars, go ahead and get it. All right. And again, don't forget, guys, let me know what city, state, country you're watching me from. Hashtag replay if you watch the replay once this is reposted onto the other venues. And I will see you guys later. Again, I'll be back in a day or two to chat about car maintenance tools that I also got. And I got a lot of those with Black Friday deals. All right. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye.